Have you ever wondered how many spiders are within just a few feet of you right now? The answer might surprise you, because these eight-legged creatures are some of the most successful and widespread animals on the planet. But before you get the shivers, let's peel back the curtain of myth and fear to discover the truly incredible world of spiders. Welcome back to Mentefacts, where today, we're getting tangled in a web of amazing spider facts. First up, let's talk about their most famous creation, silk. Spider silk is a true natural wonder. It's stronger than steel by weight and more elastic than rubber. Spiders don't just use it for building webs to catch prey. They use it to create drag lines for safety, wrap their eggs in protective sacs, build cozy burrows, and even to travel through the air in a process called ballooning, where they can ride the wind for hundreds of miles. Imagine that. A spider sailing through the sky on its own silk parachute. And when it comes to hunting, spiders are masters of strategy. Not all spiders spin classic orb webs. The trapdoor spider, for example, is a master of ambush. It digs a burrow, lines it with silk, and creates a perfectly camouflaged lid. It then waits with its legs on tiny silk tripwires, ready to burst out and snatch any unsuspecting insect that wanders too close. Then you have the bola spider, which doesn't build a web at all. Instead, it swings a single strand of silk with a sticky glob at the end, much like a cowboy's bola, to catch moths in midair. It even releases chemicals that mimic female moth pheromones to lure the males in. Talk about a clever hunter. The diversity in the spider world is just staggering. There are over 50,000 known species, and they come in all shapes and sizes. The Goliath birdiator tarantula can have a leg span the size of a dinner plate, while the tiny Pachudigua spider is so small it could fit on the head of a pin. Some spiders are masters of disguise. The flower crab spider can change its body color to perfectly match the flower it's sitting on, waiting to ambush pollinators like bees and butterflies. Others, like the peacock spider from Australia, are famous for their vibrant colors and elaborate courtship dances. The males perform a complex routine, waving their legs and showing off their brightly colored abdomens to impress a female. It's one of the most charming spectacles in the animal kingdom. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Venom. Yes, almost all spiders are venomous, but that's because venom is how they subdue their prey. The good news is that out of those tens of thousands of species, only a tiny fraction have venom that is medically significant to humans. Spiders would much rather run and hide than bite a person. For them, a bite is a last resort, a defensive action when they feel threatened and can't escape. In fact, scientists are studying spider venom for its potential in medicine, developing new painkillers and treatments for various diseases. So, that feared venom might one day be a source of healing. Spiders also have some truly unique abilities that feel like superpowers. Did you know some spiders can breathe underwater? The diving bell spider creates an underwater dome of silk which it fills with air bubbles, allowing it to live and hunt beneath the surface. And what about jumping spiders? They don't need webs to catch prey. They have incredible vision and can leap over 50 times their own body length to pounce on their targets with pinpoint accuracy. Their vision is so sharp, it's almost like they see in high definition compared to other insects. From their architectural genius to their diverse hunting tactics and surprising gentleness, spiders are far more than just spooky. They are essential predators that control insect populations, and they are a source of endless scientific fascination. So next time you see a spider, maybe take a closer look from a respectful distance. Of course, you might just appreciate the intricate beauty and complex life of one of nature's most misunderstood marvels. Thanks for watching. If you found these facts fascinating, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing content. See the world a little differently next time.